Hello friends, my name is Rahani Sheetal Sanjay. My seminar topic name is Adsorption Chromatography. First of all, we see the what is chromatography. Chromatography is a method of separation in which the component to be separate are distributed between two phases. One of these is called stationary phase and the other is a mobile phase which moves on stationary phase in a definite direction. The components of a mixture redistribute themselves between two phases by a process which may be adsorption chromatography, partition chromatography, ion exchange chromatography, and excision exclusion chromatography. The stationary phase can be solid or a liquid, and the mobile phase can be liquid, gas, or supercritical fluid. Classification of chromatography. Classification of chromatography based on the mechanism of separation. First is adsorption chromatography, second is partition chromatography. Second is based on phases. First phase is a solid phase chromatography. They divided into two types, solid liquid chromatography, solid gas chromatography. Then second is a liquid phase chromatography. They again divided into liquid chromatography, liquid gas chromatography. Third one is based on the shape of chromatographic bed. They again divided into two types, planar chromatography, column chromatography. Planar chromatography divided again two types, paper chromatography, second is thin layer chromatography. And column chromatography also divided into two types, packed column chromatography and open tubular column chromatography. Definition of adsorption chromatography. It is the type of chromatography in which a mobile liquid or gas phase is adsorbed into the surface of stationary solid phase. The equilibration between the mobile and stationary phase account for the separation of a different solutes. Principle of adsorption chromatography. Separation of component of a sample mixture occur because of partition. Stationary phase is coated with a liquid which is immiscible in mobile phase. Partition of a component of a sample between sample and liquid gas stationary phase retards some component of a sample more as compared to other. This gives the basis of separation. Definition of adsorbents. An adsorbent it is a substance usually porous in nature and with a high surface area that can be absorbed substance into its surface by intermolecular forces. Common adsorbents used in a adsorption chromatography: hydrated silica gel Hg, silica gel S, silica gel GF254, silica gel H, silica gel N, silica gel HF254, silica gel PF254. Then types of adsorption chromatography. They divided into three types: column chromatography, thin layer chromatography, gas solid chromatography. Working of adsorption chromatography. Glass plate is coated with uniform thickness of silica. Is selected silica as a stationary phase. This is the diagram of adsorption chromatography. Second is the solvent is carefully selected based on the polarity of the sample. Solvent serve as a mobile phase. Developing chamber, a glass chamber with LTD. Sample or mixture are spotted on the baseline using a capillary tube. The baseline is marked usually by drawing a very thin line about 1 cm from the end of coated plate. Put the spotted plate into the developing chamber. Wait some time until the solvent phase moves from baseline and the mixture will separated. How to calculate retention factor value? The using formula RF equals to distance traveled by the component upon distance traveled by a solvent. Application of adsorption chromatography. It is used for the separation and identification of amino acid. It is used for the separation of and identification of peptide and protein, alkaloids, carbohydrates, fats and fatty acid, antibiotics, narcotic analgesics, glycosides. Thank you.